Meow. Meow. So this is a really fun pose, I think, with those legs kind of sticking up, kitty on back. Just get the general shape of things here. Just grab those shapes that are important. Little paws. What's your cat's name? I love to hear from you. So if you drop me a comment, that would be awesome. And if you have an idea for a video, please put video idea in the comment somewhere. That way I can find it easy. Just kind of a line for the eyes there so I know where to place them. I'm starting to go in with a darker pencil now. Pick out the important lines. And I don't worry about those extra lines in the background because they just kind of fade away into background tone. Some more light lines for the eyes there. I want to do it light first to make sure I get it in the right spot. See, I had to change things there, and because it was a light line, it was easy to get rid of. But I use my eraser very selectively. Kitty's starting to come to life. Yes, we'd love to see you over in our Facebook group of cat drawing enthusiasts. So you can visit us there and ask to join. Tabby stripes are a lot of fun. They really help create expression. And those little toe beans. I'm going about 2.5 times the speed here, so I don't draw this fast. But I just want you to get the idea really quick and give it a try on your own. Just want to give some hints of hair. It's a question I get all the time is how do I draw hair? Well, I kind of draw hair by not drawing hair. We know it's a cat and we know they're fluffy, and just a few hints here and there are all I need. And of course, it all totally depends on personal style too. The slight difference in lines in the face can really change the expression. So you can have fun with that. Play with it. See how changing a line just slightly, you see there, how that really changed the expression. Kept, of course, I decided it wasn't what I wanted, so yeah, I don't know if that's a whole lot different, but I think a little. You really just got to play. That's what it's all about. Have fun drawing. It's not a contest. There's no rules. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it's the little imperfections that make it so delightful. I truly believe that the best drawings look drawn. They have that life and character. I'm really liking this one. Sometimes the eraser I don't use to get rid of lines. I just use it to soften lines because they're a little bit too stark. They stand out too much. I think Kitty looks pretty fluffy. Now we gotta make sure Kitty looks like she's on something, maybe like a pillow or something. And just a hint of whiskers. Just lighten up those whiskers a bit, especially where they attach to the face. I feel like they were standing out too much. I'm liking Kitty. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.